Hello everyone. My name is Linda Gunner. I am the CEO and founder of Linda's Perfection Creations. Linda's Perfection Creations is an event planning and wedding decor company. We cater to small and large events in around Philadelphia area. We do full service, partial, month of coronations. We do destination wedding, milestone celebrations. We do planning decor in all states. We also do home staging and interior decor for your home. I'm a master certified wedding planner and a certified florist. I have over 10 plus years in the wedding industry. If you are joining my channel for the first time, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. You can also find me on my website on www.lindasperfectcreationsevents.com. You can also where you can sign up for a free 30-minute consultation to learn more about your wedding services and all any coming events. So today's the day. If you've been watching the channel for a while, I did say once my season calm down, and I'm gonna try to do some decor and to show you guys some decor setup and things like that. So today's the day. I'm doing two centerpieces for a client, and for her, she opened a boutique and she needs some centerpieces. So I'm just going to show you some things that I'm working with. We're going to do the flowers together. Of course, it's going to take time. So what we're going to speed up the process and show you the beginning stage, the middle stage, and then the end stage so that you can see the final results. What I'm working with today, I have two vases. This one is already prepped and set. You don't have to do that. I just do mine. Set these just will always tape them down for secure durability so that it don't move, especially when you want them. So this is the foam. You get the foam. This one is still a little big. I did it intentionally so you guys can see how I work with it. The charges of flowers that I'm going to be using today are peonies, hydrangeas, and white roses, and baby's breath. The hydrangeas, I did change it around. I'm not going to use the white. I actually sprayed them because she wanted a touch of gold. So these are metallic gold that I put in on these. And you can get these from Home Depot. I got these from, I believe, from Home Depot. Walmart has them too as well. The tools that I am using today, these are my trusty tools that I always use. These to help me work with the design. And I always have, usually every single time, I always have my blow dryer. Reason being is that once you get the flowers, as you can see, some of them is still closer from packaging. You can just warm them up a little bit, and I would try to do that with you guys so you can see, warm them up a little bit so to kind of, not hot air, but like a medium air to kind of fluff them. If you get them a while, they usually come back to a standing point. But I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to show you how I'm going to get these vases, this to actually fit just like this one, and then we can go forward. Okay, so I'm trying to get the foam to fit properly in the vase. I'm just going to take a little inches over at the bottom. Reason I do that is I need it to be secure and steady. I always advise, always start small. It's better safe than sorry, because if you start cutting too much, you might end up messing up the foam, and then if you don't have anything extra. So at times I will do a little smaller, just to so that it properly fits, to make sure that it's secure. And to answer your question, are these proper tools? These are proper foam tools. You can get them at your craft store, cutting proper Amazon cutting tool. You don't have to do these. You can use knife. If you don't have the proper foam tools, that's fine. You can always use knife to always cut it, but as I stated, just always try to get it small. And for your tape, you don't necessarily have to use this tape. You can use any tape. You can use regular tape. You can use, and you can secure it any way you like. You don't have to secure it. Some people use glue. Um, I don't work with glue as much. There's nothing wrong with working with glue, but I I change things around a lot with the cords and everything like that. So with glue, if you know this is going to be something you're going to have permanently and you're not going to use it for a while, that's fine. You can use glue. For me, I just in case like I want to spruce things up and do things differently. I don't want to mess up the vase and mess up the things that I do, so I normally temporarily do not use glue. This is just a regular blow dryer. I'm gonna pause a little bit because the sound will be really loud. Just to let me see, maybe I can put on low. Yeah, it's gonna be loud, so I'm gonna pause and just pretty much all you're doing, you just blow drying to kind of get the texture, and be right back. Okay, so I started one of them already. I added some Italian ruscus to it. This I always start with my base. Reason being is that it's a foundation. Every flowers have to have a foundation. So I'm gonna start the other one with you guys so you can see how I got to this point. Um, I so everybody have different styles and different techniques that they do. For me, I like to start with my because like for anything as a house, when you building a house, you need to have a proper foundation. If you have a proper foundation, everything can work smoothly. It don't necessarily mean that somebody else's thing is bad, but I like this is where I just like to start. And to make my life easier, what I normally like to do, I always like to prep myself. Because I feel like if you work in order, it makes things easier, it makes it faster than having to come up and just go back and forth. So all my flowers to make things easier, whatever flowers I'm using, whatever base I'm using, I usually prep them to have them ready so that when I start, I don't have things just all over the place. I usually work with everything. I put everything where, so if all my bases together, I put them together to have them ready. So you see how pretty fast I did that. It don't look like much, but as I start putting the flowers and putting things in, you would definitely see the difference to it. Okay, so I'm gonna start adding my hydrangeas, and there's no particular order. I just look, I eye the flowers. You can put it any section you want to put them to make sure. And that changes my length around a lot. So sometimes when I look at if it's too high, I will cut it down to make it lower. This stem, like I said, I always start hard. So I might make my stem really, really long. Reason being is that I rather have it enough than cut it short and then I can't fix it. So that's the reason for that. Okay, so this is what I have so far. And as I said, as I go along, I will keep changing and keep rotating in it and keep making things different. So now that I did that, I'm going to start adding in my flowers in. So as I work with the flowers, what I usually do, I rotate my vases because I would like to see, it's like you're working on a canvas. You want to see how you're going. You don't just want to stay in one place. You want to make sure that you're constantly turning to fill in the gaps of every arrangement because that's the whole objective. I never put the same flowers in the same location twice. because of, as I said, you're working with a canvas. You want to make sure that it looks, have a rounded feel to it versus just, putting things just anywhere. And if you made a mistake as you're doing this, never put the flower back in the same hole. Let's say if you made a mistake and you put something where you don't want it to go, and you realize like, oops, I made a mistake. Don't take it and put it back in that same hole. Take it out and readjust it instead of putting it right back and making it look, have that hole in there.
Yeah, that's enough.
So now I'm going to start adding the roses in there. Okay, so I finished. I'm going to show you the finishing pieces of it. And yeah. No, I can't see here better. Let's do this. Here you go. Every aspect of it is done. And this as well. I'm about to take it to the client location. Once I get there, I will take a picture and try to upload it. Thank you for watching, and we're going to try to do more. I'm doing it in my office space right now. Eventually, we're going to go to, what a place name? God, I have a brain fart. My on-site location. But I'm doing it at home right now in my home office. Um, but thank you for watching. Once again, my name is Linda Gunner. I am the CEO and founder of Linda's Professional Creations. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have an amazing day. We're going to be doing more uploaded videos as we go along. Bye.